Hi friends, welcome back to channel Spykar. In this one, I'm going to do the YouTube battery draining test, comparison test between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first one is the Realme X1 Max device, second is the iQOO 7 device, and third is the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So all the three smartphones, they do have the different kind of battery capacity. 5000 mAh of battery capacity, 4400 mAh of battery capacity, and 4500 mAh of battery capacity. Let's see friends how much the battery can be drained, can be absorbed while watching YouTube videos in all the three smartphones. So during this time, I'll try to connect to the Wi-Fi network with 50% brightness capacity and watching 1080 videos non-stop continuously. That is what this video is about exactly. Same settings I'm gonna use in all the three smartphones, and I do have the three earphones ready as well right now. You'll be able to see exactly. There's no background applications running in all the three smartphones at this moment. And another most important thing is all the three smartphones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. As you can see exactly, same 2.4 GHz only Wi-Fi connectivity. All the three smartphones are connected exactly. Let's see friends how much difference can it be observed regarding the battery draining. One more thing. Let me need to take out the SIM from this phone because all the other two smartphones, they don't have any kind of SIM. Only this phone has got SIM. So I did remove the SIM as well at this moment. So there is no SIM card in this phone. So this is a kind of equal and fair test which I'm going to do in this all three smartphones. All the three smartphones are completely charged to 100% of the battery capacity. You will be able to clearly see it. An exact 50% brightness I need to keep exactly in all the three smartphones. As you can see, 50% brightness. So right now, as you can see friends, I did use the Google as well to set exactly 50% brightness, and all the three smartphones are selected to 50%, okay, by using the Google. So I thought of, instead of using manually, I thought of using the Google and asked to set 50%. So all the three smartphones are set to exactly 50% of the brightness capacity. So right now I'm trying to keep even the volume also 50% itself between all of these three smartphones, exact same kind of volume I'm trying to create, as you can see friends, exactly similar kind of volume, and I did create as well in all the three smartphones using same. And at the 50% brightness, the iQOO 7 device looks slightly brighter if you compare with other two smartphones. You can clearly see friends what is happening in the iQOO 7 device with the same 50% brightness only. I did not change any kind of manual. The stopwatch is also started exactly, and you will be able to see brightness is exact kind of close to 50% in all the three smartphones. I'm trying to make sure that it should be around 50%, as you can see friends clearly. Exactly same level of brightness I'm trying to keep between all of these three smartphones. Just a little bit kind of brighter. It looks a little bit, but not much. And all the three smartphones are running at exactly 1080 format only. Let me need to select the high resolution 1080 video quality in all the three smartphones. That's what I'm going to select. 1080 is automatically selected. Let's try to select this one also 1080. So using 1080 playback only friends, I'm trying to do this kind of testing. So this will be kind of really good interesting test to see. Again, I'll be back exactly after 30 minutes of time. In 30 minutes, let's see which phone will be dropping how much kind of battery percentage. And again after 1 hour, I'll try to check again after 1 hour 30 minutes, again after 2 hours. So in this way, we'll be able to identify what is happening with the battery draining between all of the three smartphones. So at this moment, I'll be able to do this kind of test continuously for 2 hours of time. So let's see after 2 hours what happens, what will be the winner, how much difference we can actually expect between these three smartphones as well. So I'm gonna be back after 30 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly 30 minutes of continuously playing the YouTube videos in all the three smartphones. So Realme X1 Max, iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2. So during this time, I did not change any kind of connection or any kind of brightness, nothing at all. I just left as it is. So we're going to check exactly what will be the battery percentage exactly after 30 minutes of time. So this is going to be really interesting friends to see the results, how much difference it's going to make between all of these smartphones. So we're getting close to that kind of time. So exactly I'll try to check what is happening as well. So exactly 30 minutes of time, we did reach about 98% in the Realme X1 Max, 98%, not bad. And iQOO 7 reached about 96% in the iQOO 7 device. So 98, 96 in the iQOO 7 device, and Realme GT Neo 2 reached about 98%. Realme GT Neo 2 as well, as you can see exactly. So both Realme phones, they were shockingly kind of exactly same percentage, like 98, 98 and 96. As you can see friends, both Realme phones during this time continuously usage. So let me write down the readings, what is happening for the first 30 minutes. So again, I'll be back exactly after 1 more hour. So after 1 hour, we'll try to see what is going on between all the three smartphones. So right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to exactly 1 hour of continuously watching the YouTube videos in all the 3 smartphones, just using the earphones itself friends. All the 3 smartphones are connected to the earphones. As you can see clearly, same volume, same brightness, nothing much changed, same Wi-Fi connection as well. And we're going to check the temperatures. I don't think the temperatures will increase anything much, nothing much higher. As you can see, 30 degrees, pretty cool. And Realme GT Neo 2 also 30 degrees, so nothing much major difference in the temperatures wise. So exactly we are reaching the 1 hour of time. So 1 hour the Realme X1 Max reached to 95%. Realme X1 Max, not bad. So it's not decreasing much. As you can see friends, clearly 95% in 1 hour of time. And iQOO 7 device dropped to 92% in 1 hour. 92. And Realme GT Neo 2 dropped to 95%. As you can see friends, clearly 95. So 95%, 95% and 92% in the iQOO 7 device. Overall, it's quite shocking to see like Realme GT Neo 2 with a 5000 mAh of battery capacity still performing kind of close to Realme X1 Max device with a 4500 mAh of battery capacity. So this is something which feels hard for me. But 95, 95 and 92, let me need to write down the readings. So I'm going to be back exactly after more 34 minutes. So let's see in the 1.5 hour how much the battery will be draining between all of these 3 smartphones. But you can definitely observe the gap is slightly kind of increasing. So before there's a gap of 2%, now there's a gap of 3% between the iQOO 7 and other 2 Realme phones. So these 2 Realme phones are performing as it is exactly friends. So that's kind of another thing which I was just mentioning. So I'm going to be back after 1.5 hour, maybe 30 minutes later. Then we'll try to discuss what is going on. So right now, as you can see friends, we did get close to exactly 1 hour and 30 minutes of time. You can see the battery percentage dropped to 91% in the Realme X1 Max device. So in the Realme X1 Max, 91% it dropped. And let's check in the iQOO 7 device. In the iQOO 7 device, it dropped to 88%. So 91%, 88%, and Realme GT Neo 2 is about 93%. As you can see friends, for the first 1.5 hour of continuously playing the YouTube videos, these are the results which we got. So now we are seeing actually 5000 mAh of battery capacity slightly getting impacted. As you can see at this moment, the gap is slightly increasing. So even the Realme X1 Max also dropped to 91% at this moment in this device. You can clearly see friends, 91% in the Realme X1 Max and 88% in the iQOO 7 device and 93% in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see friends, again I'll be back after 2 more hours. Let's see in the 2 hours how much the battery will be draining in this all the 3 smartphones. That's what I'm going to exactly compare side by side between these devices. Right now, as you can see friends, it's been 2 hours and 1 minute of continuously playing the YouTube videos in all the 3 smartphones. As you can see together, let me check the battery percentage, how much it got dropped in one by one. And let me go to the home page and show you the battery percentage. It's of 87% in the Realme X1 Max. As you can see friends, non-stop playing only the YouTube continuously. And next is the iQOO 7 device dropped about close to 84%. As you can see friends, so 87%, 84%, and let's see the Realme GT Neo 2 how much it is. The Realme GT Neo 2 dropped to 90% only. As you can see, after 2 hours of continuously playing the YouTube videos between all of these 3 smartphones using with a 50% brightness only. As you can clearly see friends, the statistics 87%, 84% and 90% how the battery is draining. And you can see the screen on time is about 2 hours 10 minutes, same exactly. So 2 hours and 10 minutes of time, because after 100% I reached, I did unplug and I did use. So as you can see, 2 hours and 10 minutes of time clearly. The same kind of screen on time, same thing is happening between all of these 3 smartphones. You can clearly see the difference how it is. So 5000 mAh of battery definitely friends, it's kind of not draining much while watching YouTube videos with a 50% brightness using Wi-Fi connection. So using with a 4G data connection, that will be different. 4G will be different. I'm trying to mention again, with the 4G connection it will be completely different friends, always understand. With the Wi-Fi connection it will be different. So with the Wi-Fi connection, for every hour 5% is decreased in the battery percentage. 5% for every 1 hour. That's what the estimations are. So if you try to do this kind of calculation, so maybe the phone can come up to 20 hours of YouTube watching with a 50% brightness. And iQOO 7 device, so which dropped about close to I think 16% for 2 hours. So 1 hour 8% the battery is getting dropped in the iQOO 7 smartphone. So if you do the math, for example 100 divided by, so how much percentage dropped for 1 hour? I think close to 8% exactly for 1 hour of time. Let's say in the 1 hour 12.5. So overall you will be able to watch continuously, I think 12.5 hours, kind of close to 12 to 13 hours of video playback can be possible if you try to use similar kind of method. And finally in the Realme X1 Max, the battery dropped by 13% for 2 hours of time, 2 hours 13%. if you try to take maybe 7% for 1 hour dropping as an average, as a round figure, if you try to take 7%, so maybe this Realme X and Max can come up to close to 14 hours as well. But this is just a short video, friends, which I did right now using for the 2 hours of time only. In case if you want me to do definitely for long time review, let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts. In case if you want me to include, definitely I can do that kind of thing, long time, I mean continuously draining test as well, maybe for 5 hours or 10 hours of time. So this is a quick battery draining test comparison between all of these three smartphones. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.